Hello, beautiful ladies. My name is Joany, and I welcome you to my channel. And today's video, we are gonna increase our sensuality with the beautiful circles that helps you to kind of get into the flow. So get into something comfortable and dance with me. Let's start with the breath. Deep breath in up. Breathe out. Deep breath in up again. Breathe out. Now breathe in and expand your chest. Hold the expansion, not the breath, and now just relax your pelvic, tucked in a little bit. Good. Soften your knees. Let's just sway side to side. That's it. Just sway your hips side to side. Just go as far as you can with comfort. Let's warm up the pelvic forward and back. Forward and back. Now, forward side, back side. Forward side, back side. Good. You're doing a medium circle, counterclockwise, going to your left. And again, I want you to be comfortable with this. Doesn't have to be big. If you just want to go small, go ahead. And then expand the circle to the point of comfort. To be central, you need to make sure that you're comfortable in the movement, but also feel this kind of soothing feeling when you're doing these circles. Let's switch the other side. Breathe into the circle. Breathe in, breathe out. Now you can bring the breath down to your belly. Breathe in and breathe out. Let me add some variation to this. So still going clockwise, we're just gonna focus on the right corner. So you're circling but aiming to the right corner. Now I want to bring that right heel off the floor. Good, so you're kind of in your classical pose. So the weight is more on your left foot and maybe 10% on your ball of the right foot. Keep going. So let's do 2 more of this. And now we're gonna go and step out with the right foot and circle. Now go back to classical. Bring that foot back in, bring that right heel up. And now step out. Bring it in. Out. Bring it in one more time. And now we're going to go into a big circle, forward, side, bring it back and around. So now once you bring this up, good. So we're doing kind of a vertical figure 8, so 2 circles going up. You can have your foot to push off the floor to help you. You can lift your heel. Again, this is very soft and relaxed. Being sensual is also being really in tune and relaxed with your body. Breathe into your figure eights. Breathe from the lower belly. Breathe out. Now we're going to repeat the left side. So let's go to a classical pose. Bring your left heel and circle out. And now step out. And you're doing the medium circle. And bring it in. Step out. Bring it in. Big circle, front. That's it, left, back. And now bring it right and get ready to loop up. All right, let's do a little combination together and bring it all into a beautiful little routine. Right hip, circle out in classical pose. Step out. Bring it in for 2 circles, and then a big circle, and then figure 8, left, right. And now classical left hip circle. Step out for 4 circles. Bring it in for 2. And then a big one. And now right hip up and over. For hip circle in classical pose. Step out. Big, come in for 2 circle and then big circle. All the way around. Vertical figure 8. Classical hip circle. Step out for 4. Bring it in into a big circle. Vertical figure 8, right, left. You could bring your hands down. You could play around with your arms and hands. If not, you could just leave it here. Frame your beautiful hips. You bring your hands to your heart. Out and in. All right, let's go back to the right side one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step out. And for 2. Big circle, forward, right, back, and then vertical figure 8 left. Breathe into it. Enjoy that body of yours. Be nice to it. Love it. And now let's go to your left side. Out. In. Forward, side, back, up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. In. Big, bring it around, and up. Out. In. Out. Big one. All right. I'm gonna go into a vertical circle, but for just 2, and then out, 2, and then bring it in for 2, and then big circle. Vertical figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 hip circles. Out, in, big one, and right, left, right, left, right, out, in, and big one. Left side. Big. Up. Okay, so now we're just going to do 1, out, in, and big. Good. Left, right, left, right, and circle, and then circle out, circle in, and then big one. Vertical figure 8 up, left, right, left, and 1, out, 2, in, 3, and big one on 4. Hip, up, 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 and then circle, and up, and in, and big. Good. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hip, bring it out, in, big one, up. Feels so good. One more time. Keep it slow, nice and slow. Keep your vertical figure 8. fantastic. I feel really lovely and sensual. And I hope you do too. And now keep that flow in your body for the rest of your day or evening. And I'll see you in the next video.